guys, bit of a short intro. We got a huge eel just here. Haven't baited for a while. Huge eel, he just came right up. He's right on my frickin' bait. Oh shit. Is he about to eat it? Can't tell whether he's got it or not. Yeah, he's got it. He's got it. He might be on here. Oof. Shit. Damn it. Let me get the rod here. Alright. So we're about to hook set. Oh, he hasn't got it yet. He just bit it. I got him. I got this big ass eel. Huge. Oh shoot, he's swimming. Get him out of there. 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 Jesus. I don't know how we're going to land this. Holy moly. This is huge. Jesus. Okay, we're going to have to tire this one out. This one's a huge eel. Oh, no. Right, keep him out. This is going to be my PB. No. Please don't get caught in all that. Oh, Jesus. He's going to snap my rod. Oh. This is like 10 pound at least. Okay, we got him out. This is like biggest eel ever caught. I've got no idea how this is like the worst spot to try land this eel. I've hooked on this one before. He's a lot smaller. He's a lot bigger now. Jeepers. That's a big eel. Nicely hooked. Perfectly hooked, actually. Right where oh, that doesn't look like it's in very much. So I'm just going to see if I can't tire him out a bit more. Just by him pulling a whole bunch. See if I can't tire him out. Now I'm about to just pull him up that bank there. Get the hook out. Get a good photo. Can't tell if this is my personal best. He does look deep, reasonable size in the water, but I know that there is a real big one that I've caught before. But we on. Just fishing off the side of a bridge as well. Sat here for maybe 10-20 minutes. Oh Jesus. Cranking. Pull some line in. Yeah, maybe it doesn't look as big now, but he's definitely screwed up the bottom. Just got 50 pound line on whatever that, a polar bear reel with just my trout fishing rod. Trout fishing rod that broke at the end. I just really don't want him to, because I know if I hop down there he's going to go straight into those bushes. And learning from experience, him going into bushes is not the best of places. There he is. He's tired out now. He's still got a bit of, this eel still has a lot of fight of him in him. So now that he's up here and he's sort of calmed down, see if I can't pull him over this way. When I get him up close to the bank, he's just going to fight like crazy. I don't want him in there. Yes, he's trying to get away in underneath the bank. And if they get way in underneath the bank, then there's no way to get them out. If I had a net, I'd just scoop them up from there, but I broke my last net on a very, very small eel. Now I know that this line shouldn't snap, so I just pretty much just hand line him up from there. Nah, he's trying to get it way in underneath there. Long fight. Going about 5 minutes maybe now. Very big eel. Very windy day as well, so couldn't go fly fishing today. That might be maybe one of his last little pulls. I'll just try to pull him up onto that wee piece there. Real hard to do this. I don't know what he's trying to do. If he was smart, then he'd probably just try to get way in underneath there. And he is trying to do that. Oh, no. Not going anywhere, mate. Just try to keep the tension on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Jump down here. Oh. Alright, we're right next to that beast. Look at the size of that thing. Holy moly. I'll just try to wind up some line. Just in the front of his mouth as well, that hook. Set. Just going to try to grab it. Grab the hook. A very big and bulgy head. This eel does. He's probably going to scoop when I try to get him up. I really don't want to mess this up. Jeez. Jeepers. Right. I'm just going to do 3, 2, 1. There. Not trying to hurt you. I'm just going to chuck that rod over there. I can just slide him up into this. But slightly calm for a second. Jesus, almost cutting my hand with that line. Oh, I think we've got him. This is definitely my personal best eel. Holy moly. With the rod I caught him with. Alright, he's obviously wanted to get back now. I've got just no barbed hooks, so they do just slip out. I just do want to get a photo. Yeah. He's all ready to go back. Yeah, where's my phone? Just need to grab my phone, otherwise he's gonna try to get. I really don't want to touch him, but I think I might have to. Pull up my sleeves. These eels slime, it's really hard to get off. Let's bring him up a bit. Oh yeah. Right. He's up now. Just gonna get that hook out of him. Hook's out. Trying to get a photo. What a stunning eel that is. Beautiful. Let's see, maybe just about a metre. His tail's really big and fat. He's got that there. Just going to chuck him back now and bring him back down to the water's edge. So we're going to give him a nice big release. So some other fishermen to catch him. And there he goes, back into the weed and underneath the bank, and he's gone. Oh wow. And now I've got this slime on my hands. This is going to be very hard to get off. Oh well, thanks for watching. If you like that content and you want some more, maybe consider liking and subscribing. Really make me push harder. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one.